There is no. Go! Find the flag. There's one. Lads, watch behind you. Just at the corner there, there's a bit of netting, so watch out for netting. Alright, don't go, just watch there in case the guy tries to come around there. Watch out now, don't go! I'm trying to see now, can I go around the other way, Colin? No, it's too close. I'm trying to see there, could it go around the other way? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. 1 second there. No, I'm getting fire from this angle. Go, 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 go. Dive in right, yeah. You're right.
Ready?
I'm trying to look there for where I can go.
1, 2.
1 second there, I just want to check.
And those 2 guys already just in the fucking corridor.
Yeah.
2 guys straight down. Green laser. What's up, he's not coming like that.
What I might do is I might dive into that corner.
Yeah.
So if you can give me cover fire and I'll just run in there straight away. Ready? 1, 2, stop firing, now I'm running. One second.
Ready? Go, 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 go!
One second there, Colin. Where the fuck are they? Can't give it that. Yeah, there's a guy in crossfire there that's holding me in. How far down is it, Colin? Colin, what's the story? Alright, just tell me how far down are they? Alright, I'm gonna run out, grab flag and dive back in. Jesus Christ. Where the fuck? Hit!
And then it's back.
Heck on it.
Wait one, go with that.
Ready?
Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Go!
Anybody in that room is dead? You got it, you got it, you got it.
Alright, yeah, I'm calculating now how far down it is. Right, they move around to the corner. They just move around the corner.
Right guys? Yeah. The best, stay behind.
Shit, down! Yeah. I know, I fucking hit my own, so I'm out. Let's go back. Yeah, I just came out, fucking one lads is there. Alright, we literally got him stuck inside the respawn.
Do we?
Yeah. I'm gonna run across.
Go.
Cheers! Someone's Thunder Bee is down, or Tornado's on the ground. Where is he? Got another rag. Jesus Christ, that fucking could be dangerous. There's another one there. But am I getting too greedy? There's one just there, Connor. They're moving for it now, Connor, watch out. Some out the fucking rebounds. Where was that? That wasn't us, anyway. Connor, can you reach that? Connor, I'm coming into you there, okay? So I'm coming up to you there now. Alright?
Yep.
I need you to carry these because I fucking loads them. Hold these. I'm going to go for that one there that's just down there, okay?
Right.
Here. Right? Just take them out because if I get shot, they're all fucking gone.
Right, you need to go back there.
No, just hang there. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run out. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm watching them there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dive out around the corner. I'm going to grab him and then I'm going to run up towards you are, okay? Yeah, hold him there, right? You know what I'll do there? I'll run over to that side so I can get out better. Alright, so 2 seconds there now.
I'll try a couple of rounds and we can go.
Alright. Jesus. Got it. Whew. That's another one. I think there's another flag there behind us, is it? No. Right, stand back. Grab the flag. Yeah, just hide in there. There's one flag behind us. There's one flag behind us there, but the lads are going for that. Grab that flag. Shit. What's the story, Colin? I got the flag! I'm stuck in here. Yeah. Duncan! See, can you see how many is down there? I can't look because I'm on my bad angle. Colin! Yeah. How many flags are down there? Or did I collect the last one? I need a mag. Shit, Duncan! Peel back and give him a mag. Alright. Colin, can you cover me? What? I have mags. I have loads of mags. Oh shit, my clothes are coming off. Give me another shot. Oh yeah, that one. What?